Study links global warming to some, not all, of 2012's wild weather. NBCnews.com. U.S. World. Politics. Business. Tech. Science. Health. Investigations. Entertainment. Sports. Travel. Nightly news. Meet the press. Dateline. Today. MSNBC. News.com. MSN. NBC News. Science. Follow us. Facebook. Twitter. RSS. Show me. Space. Environment. Innovation. Weird science. Climate change. Study links global warming to some, not all, of 2012's wild weather cosmic log. Watch NASA's Lady Moon launch in the East Coast and their online environment. Saving most of Earth's plants may take just a bit of land. Kirabo. Japan's Kirabo talking robot says its first words in space. One small step cosmic log. Spaceship to go supersonic, flips its wings in second-powered flight. DARPA. Air Force, DARPA team up in new hypersonic flight project. Obesity. Human germs from obese people make mice fat. Syrian civil war. Fallout from strike in Syrian reactor could be catastrophic. Coral reefs. Why stressed out corals lose their color? Scientists find new clues. Biggest volcano on Earth. It's the largest volcano on Earth, and it lurks beneath Pacific Ocean oceans. Rare images captured off Oregon's coast. Back to school. At last. LEGO creates a female scientist manufacture alien planets. Planet hunter Sarah Seeger says we may find alien life in next decade. Meteors. NASA cameras capture fireball blazing across sky. Climate change. NASA launches flying labs to study air pollution. Salamanders. Cause of salamander die-off found. Skin-eating fungus. Fairy circles. Mysterious fairy circles in African desert. Here's a new theory. Cosmic log. Reality check in King Solomon's mines. Right era. Wrong kingdom. Tsunami. Tsunami would swamp California's economy. Report Mars. NASA studying 4 landing site options for 2016 Mars mission. Advertise. Advertise. Climate change. Study links global warming to some, not all, of 2012's wild weather. By Seth Borenstein. The Associated Press. Facebook. Share on Facebook. Twitter. LinkedIn. Google+. Email. 12 hours ago. Lucas Jackson, Reuters file. Months after Superstorm Sandy swept over the New Jersey shore, a wrecked house still lies in the beach at Midlothian, New Jersey. A study of a dozen of 2012's wildest weather events found that human-caused global warming increased the likelihood of about half of them, including Superstorm Sandy's devastating surge and the blistering U.S. summer heat. The other half including a record wet British summer and the U.S. drought last year simply reflected the random freakiness of weather. Researchers with the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and the British Meteorological Office concluded in a report issued Thursday. The scientists conducted thousands of runs of different computer simulations that looked at various factors, such as moisture in the air, atmospheric flow, and sea temperature and level. Changing perspective. The approach represents an evolution in the field. Scientists used to say that individual weather events a specific hurricane or flood, for example, cannot be attributed to climate change. But recently, researchers have used computer simulations to look at extreme events in a more nuanced way and measure the influence of climate change on their likelihood and magnitude. This is the second year that NOAA and the British Meteorology Office have teamed up to look at the greenhouse gas connection to the previous year's unusual events. We've got some new evidence that human influence has changed the risk and has changed it enough that we can detect it. Study lead author Peter Stott, head of climate monitoring and attribution for the British Meteorological Office, said at a news conference. The researchers said climate change had made these 2012 events more likely. U.S. heat waves, superstorms,